Welcome to this special program on the 67th National Film Awards, an annual event. It is being held in October this year because of COVID considerations. We bring you all the updates and highlights of who won what, as well as interactions with the newsmakers of the day. So let's begin. The 67th National Film Awards ceremony was held on October 25th at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. They were given away by Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. Regional films were right up there with the best of Bollywood. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur and Minister of State Information and Broadcasting L. Murugan were both present on the occasion.
Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu conferred 67th National Film Awards on winners. INB Minister Anurag Singh Thakur and MOS INB Dr. L. Murugan also attended the ceremony, in which best talents of the film industry were awarded. Hindi films were big gainers in the category of feature films. Actor Manoj Bajpayee was awarded Best Actor Award for Hindi movie Bhonsle, and Dhanush got the award for Tamil movie Asuran. Kangana Ranaut received Best Actress Award for her movies Manikarnika, The Queen of Jhansi and Panga. Malayalam film Marakkar bagged the Best Feature Film Award, while Sushant Singh Rajput and Shraddha Kapoor starrer Hindi film Chichore got the Best Feature Film Award in Hindi. On this occasion, Vice President said that film industry is a symbol of unity in diversity.
भारतीय फिल्म उद्योग ने विभिन्न भाषाओं में अपनी पहचान बनाई है, चाहे वो भोजपुरी फिल्म हो या तमिल या फिर उड़िया या असमी फिल्म हो, अन्य भाषाओं में भी उल्लेखनीय फिल्में बन रही है। भाषाओं के विभिन्नता के बावजूद सिनेमा की अपनी ही अलग भाषा होती है, जो क्षेत्रीय या सांप्रदायिक सीमाओं से ऊपर है। अलग भाषा, अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश। विविधता में एकता भारत का विशेषण।
Hindi film An Engineered Dream bagged the Best Film Award in Non-Feature Film category. Special Mention Award went to Biryani, Jaunake Porba, Lata Bhagwan Kare and Picasso. On this occasion, Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur said that single window clearance system for film industry is being introduced in the country, which will be very helpful for people associated with this industry.
एक प्रयास किया जाता है कि सिंगल विंडो क्लियरेंस हो, आप देश भर में कहीं पर भी अपने शूटिंग करना चाहते हो, आपको उसकी अनुमति मिले और आपको सहयोग दिया जा सके ताकि देश और दुनिया भर के डायरेक्टर्स यहाँ पर आकर शूटिंग कर सकें। हिंदुस्तान एक अपने आप में एक ऐसी भूमि बनी है आपके प्रयासों से, आपके सब पिछले कई वर्षों के कामकाज के कारण, कि आज देश ही नहीं बल्कि दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ पर आकर फिल्म प्रोडक्शन करना चाहते हैं, शूटिंग करना चाहते हैं, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन का कामकाज यहाँ पर करना चाहते हैं। And I think whereas on one side the COVID-19 pandemic has thrown a lot of challenges not only to India but to the entire world, on the other hand we have seen a lot of opportunities during this pandemic time. I personally feel India has all the potential to become the content subcontinent of the world.
First time in 67 years, a film made in Chhattisgarh, Bhulan the Maze, got the National Award in the Regional Cinema category. MOS INB Dr. L. Murugan, who was also present on the occasion, said that our style of storytelling is continuously touching new heights of glory.
We Indian like storytelling. Our epics, our Puranas, our folk music and folk tales entertains us with plots and drama. With the movie Raj Hari Chandra, our cinema too joined in this rich tradition. Hindi movies, along with movies produced in all other languages, enriched the Indian cinema.
Sanjay Puran Singh Chauhan was honored Best Direction for the Hindi film Bahattar Hure, and Naga Vishal bagged the National Award for the Best Child Artist, Tamil drama K.D. Angira Karuppu Durai. Veteran film actor Rajinikanth, who is actively associated with the Indian cinema for last 5 decades, was conferred with Dada Saheb Phalke Award for his outstanding contribution to the world of Indian cinema.
I'm extremely happy to receive this prestigious award, and my heartfelt thanks to Central Government for honoring me with this most prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award. I dedicate this award to my mentor, my guru, K. Balchandra sir. This moment, I remember him with great gratitude. And my brother Satyanarayana Rao Gaikwad, who is like my father, who brought me up with, teaching me with great values and injecting me a spirituality in me. And my friend, a Karnataka bus transport driver, my colleague, Raj Bahadur.
Secretary in the Ministry of INB Apurva Chandra said the awarded films present a beautiful picture of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat.
During the COVID lockdowns over the past 1.5 years, it is films which sustain us through those dire times. The medium of cinema has a great role in promoting unity and integrity of the nation. We recognize the role of a film fraternity, which over the years have used storytelling and entertainment to weave a uniquely diverse Indian story.
The Additional Director General in Directorate of Film Festivals, Chaitanya Prasad, said that youth force and experience of cinema world came on one platform in the 67th National Film Awards.
67th NFA symbolizes the chain between continuity, change, and looking forward. We have young filmmakers that reflect the diversity of India, the matrix of new filmmaking in this country. And we are truly honored to host the entire contingent of the 67th NFA.
Sikkim has backed the most film-friendly state award in the 67th National Film Awards. 13 states had competed in this category. With every passing year, Indian cinema is scaling new heights, and the national awards are playing a key role in encouraging and promoting new talents of Indian cinema who are making their presence felt not only nationally but also on international level.
For his challenging and convincing performance,
the 67th National Film Awards were given on Monday in New Delhi with the honours for films from the year of 2019. The event is organised by the Directorate of Film Festivals, which comes under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Director Priyadarshan's Malayalam war epic Marakar, Lion of the Arabian Sea, that is headlined by Mohanlal, won the Best Feature Film.
Patriotism and Valour.
The Best Acting honours went to Manoj Bajpayee for Bhosle, Dhanush for Tamil film Asuran, and Kangana Ranaut for two of her films, Panga and Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi.
And the depiction of a middle-aged mother coming back to sports, facing all odds.
Vijay Sethupathi from Super Deluxe and Pallavi Joshi from the Tashkent Files won the Supporting Actor Awards, while director Sanjay Puran Singh Chauhan was awarded for Bahattar Hura. Awards were given under feature and non-feature to various films. The Best Feature Film, Marakar, Lion of Arabian Sea, Malayalam. Best Actor is shared by Manoj Bajpayee for Bhosle in Hindi and Dhanush for Asuran in Tamil. Best Actress Kangana Ranaut for Panga, Hindi, and Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi, also Hindi.
जय, तुम्हें लग रहा है कि तुमने भोपाल की लड़कियों को रगड़ दिया तो तुम इंडियन टीम में कमबैक कर सकती हो?
Best Supporting Actor Vijay Sethupathi for Super Deluxe, Tamil. Best Director Sanjay Puran Singh Chauhan for Bahattar Hura in Hindi.
Hello, good evening, Chicken Hub. Sorry, sir, out of stock.
Best Debut Film of a Director Mathukutty Xavier for Helen in Malayalam. Best Child Artist Naga Vishal for KD, Tamil. Best Action Direction Avanesh Srimanarayana, Kannada, and Vikram Moore. Best Choreography Maharishi Telugu and Raju Sundaram. Best Special Effects Marakar, Lion of the Arabian Sea in Malayalam, Siddharth Priyadarshan. Special Jury Award Otha Serapu Size 7 Tamil, Radhakrishnan Parthiban. Best Lyrics, Prabha Verma for Kolambi in Malayalam. Best Music Direction, D. Imam for Viswasam in Tamil. Best Background Music, Prabuddha Banerjee for Jyeshtaputro in Bengali. Best Makeup Artist, Ranjit for Helen in Malayalam. Best Costume, Sujit Sudhakaran and V. Sai for Marakar, Lion of the Arabian Sea, Malayalam. Best Production Design, Anandi Gopal, Marathi, Sunil Nigvekar and Nilesh Wagh. Best Audiography, Re-Recordist of Final Mix Track, Otha Serupusai 7 Tamil, Resul Pukuti. Best Audiography, Location Sound Recordist, Lady Khasi, Debajit Gayan.
दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी का दूसरा प्रधानमंत्री ताशकंद जाता है।
Best Screenplay, Dialogue Writer, The Tashkent Files Hindi, Vivek Ranjan Agnihotri.
सैकड़ों सस्पिशियस होते हैं।
এটাকে আপনি পলিটিক্যাল করে দিচ্ছেন মিস্টার ধর।
Best Screenplay Adapted, Gumnami, Bengali, Srijit Mukherjee.
নাম শুনেছেন নিশ্চয়ই। আমার এটা দেশের বাড়ি না, এটা আমার বাড়ি।
Best Screenplay Original Jyeshtaputro Bengali, Kaushik Ganguly.
বল্লভপুর হচ্ছে আমার গ্রাম।
Best Cinematography Jallikattu Malayalam, Girish Gangadharan. Best Editing Jersey Telugu, Naveen Nuli.
सचिन बख्शिश लेने के लिए सबके सामने जाना पड़ेगा ना।
Best Children's Film Kasturi in Hindi.
वहाँ सब होंगे, सब तेरे लिए तालियां बजेंगी।
Best Film on Environment Conservation, Water Burial, Monpa.
Every sentient being has the right.
तुम्हाला तिथे शिकायचं असेल तर ख्रिस्ती धर्म स्वीकारण्यावाचून गत्यंतर नाही।
Best Film on Social Issues, Anandi Gopal, Marathi. Best Film on National Integration, Taj Mahal, Marathi.
कितना बड़ा था? ये इतना बड़ा। అందుకే ఏ రైతు తన కొడుకుని రైతుని చేయాలనుకోవట్లేదు।
Best Popular Film Providing Wholesome Entertainment, Maharishi, Telugu.
ఇంకా రాబోయే జనరేషన్స్ కి వ్యవసాయం అనేది హిస్టరీ బుక్స్ లో మిగిలిపోతుంది।
Best Female Playback Singer, Savani Ravindra for Bardo, Marathi. Best Male Playback Singer, B. Prak for Kesari, Hindi.
जीसी जीत सकते हैं।
Best Films in each language, Best Hindi Film, Chichore.
साले losers.
The film brilliantly showcases that just winning or losing is not the crux of life, but earnest and sincere efforts to reach the goal are.
Best Telugu Film, Jersey. Best Malayalam Film, Kalla Notam.
நம்மகிட்ட கார்டு இருந்தா எடுத்துக்கிடுவானோ.
Best Tamil Film, Asuran.
படிப்பு மட்டும் நம்மகிட்ட இருந்து எடுத்துக்கிடவே முடியாது சிதம்பரம்.
Best Paniya Film, Kenjira. Best Mishing Film, Anuruvad. Best Khasi Film, Luda. Best Chhattisgarhi Film, Bhulan the Maze.
पाँव के नीचे आज ही ना तो रास्ता भटक जाओ।
क्या करेगी आगे बढ़ के?
Best Haryanvi Film, छोरियां छोरों से कम नहीं होती.
I promise, मैं IPS बन के दिखाऊंगी.
Best Tulu Film, Pingara. Best Punjabi Film, Rab da Radio 2.
उमें परमात्मा देखने दा विशानी।
Best Odia Film was shared by Kalira Atita and Sala Budhar Badla.
Aduh babu, itu parang mau kanggi.
Best Manipuri Film, Idi Kona.
The huge S
Best Marathi film Bardo.
फक्त मध्ये गावात काय गरज ना.
Best Konkani film Kajro. Best Kannada film Akshi.
তো হয়নি আপনার তো মশাই চিত্রনাট্য
Best
করা উচিত
Bengali
ছিল
film Gumnami. Best Assamese film Ronova Never Surrender.
അവനോടൊന്ന് സംസാരിക്കണമായിരുന്നു ഫോനൊന്ന് കൊടുക്കോ
Special mentions Biryani Malayalam, Jonaki Porua Assamese,
फक्त संघर्ष घेऊन येतात
Lata Bhagwankare Marathi
कालही मी
and Picasso
संघर्षच करीत
Marathi.
होते. आजही करते
contains some of the
In non-feature category, Best Voiceover and Narration Sir David Attenborough for Wild Karnataka English. Best Music Direction Vishak Jyoti for Kranti Darshi Guruji Ahead of Times in Hindi.
गाने पर सूफी संस्था
Best
को
Editing
क्यों
Arjun
ऐतराज?
Gorisaria for Shut Up Sona Hindi and English.
Do they even know what is Sufi?
Best Audiography Radha Musical Alwyn Rego and Sanjay Maurya. Best On Location Sound Recordist Rehus Hindi Saptarshi Sarkar. Best Cinematography Savita Singh for Sonsi Hindi. Best Direction Sudhanshu Saria for Knock 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 English Bengali. Best Film on Family Values Oru Pathira Swapnam Pole Malayalam. Best Short Fiction Film Custody Hindi English. Special Jury Award Small Scale Societies English. Best Animation Film Radha Musical.
काल रात्री पुणे येथील
Best
जोशी
Investigative
कुटुंबातील
Film,
3
Jakkal
जणांचे गळा
Marathi.
आवळून भीषण खून
Best Exploration Film Wild Karnataka English.
The land of
Best
apple
education
eaters
film,
and
Apples
orange
and
eaters.
Oranges,
I checked your
English.
Facebook post and I didn't like what.
Best Film on Social Issues Holy Rides Hindi and Ladli Hindi.
मैं लाडली बोल रही हूँ ठीक है ना मैं लाडली बोल रही हूँ काट रही थी फोन मैं 2-3 दिन से बिजी थी
Best Environment
This
Film
rather
The
odd-looking
Stork
bird
Saviors
is more
Hindi.
endangered than the tiger. It's been
एक दिन हमारे गांव में
Best Promotional
किसी ने
Film
नहाने
The
का सारा
Shower
रख दिया
Hindi. Best Arts and Culture Film Shri Kshetra Ru Sahijata Odia.
My name is Rama Khandwala.
Best
and I was
biographical
born in
film,
Rangoon
Elephants Do
in
Remember,
the year
English.
1926. My grandfather was responsible.
Best Ethnographic Film Charanatva The Essence of Being a Nomad Gujarati. Best Debut Non-Feature Film of a Director Raj Preetam More for Khisa Marathi.
पापा ही बोलते हैं तो थोड़ा थोड़ा मतलब उन मूवी को भी देना था
Best
तो उनका
Non-Feature
हुआ नहीं था
Film An Engineer
एक मेढक
Dream
टाइप के थे
Hindi.
कुएं में मेढक वाले यहाँ पे आया तो पता चला यार और भी मेढक
The National Film Awards ceremony is the stage where India's most prestigious honor in cinema, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, is given away. This year, it went to superstar Rajnikant, a name that of course needs no introduction. Actor Rajnikant, who has been active in cinema for nearly 5 decades, was awarded the Dada Saheb Phalke Award at the 67th National Film Awards. Rajnikant's invaluable contribution to the world of cinema for the last 5 decades was made even more memorable by the thunderous applause as all those sitting in the auditorium stood up in honor of Thalaiva. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award, instituted in the year 1969, is the most prestigious award in Hindi cinema. Rajnikant made his debut as an actor with the National Film Award winning film Apurva Ragangal, directed by K. Balachandar, whom Rajnikant considers his guru. Rajnikant first appeared as the protagonist in S.P. Muthuraman's film. Bhuvan Oru first appeared as the protagonist in S.P. Muthuraman's film Bhuvan Oru Kelvikuri. after playing several negative characters. The craze his audience had was so great. His immense fan following is to such an extent that many consider him a god. Rajnikant's films are usually released by 3:30 in the morning. He became a superstar after much trials and struggles. For the past 50 years now, he is the uncrowned king of the film world. His style, special dialogue delivery, his humongous popularity have no match till today.
My heartfelt thanks to Central Government for honoring me with this most prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award. I dedicate this award to my mentor, my guru, K. Bhalachandra sir. This moment, I remember him with great gratitude. And my brother Satyanarayana Rao Gaikwad, who is like my father, who brought me up with, teaching me with great values and injecting me a spirituality in me. And my friend, a Karnataka bus transport driver, my colleague, Raj Bahadur. When I was a bus conductor, he was the one who identified the acting talent in me and encouraged me to join cinemas.
Liva is again ready now to make a splash. Anathe. The teaser of Anathe was released to much anticipation. Rajnikant is once again ready to surprise everyone in a new and exciting way. Bureau Report, Delhi, India. We spoke to winners of the award, to actors, filmmakers and technicians, as well as costume designers who took away the coveted award this year, about their feelings and experiences. Here's what they shared. It's the most important film festival on the continent, the 67th National Film Awards.
The film is about the secret of life is to live. So I love the way Kumaraja has written the script and the way he executed. And I love all the characters who are all played. Especially there is an alien portion is coming. I love that portion also. So I'm very much happy that I'm part of a film like Super Deluxe. So I think that's a great award for me.
It's a great pleasure, and just imagine the experience we are getting today. It's unbelievable. And when we decided to greenlight this script, we were aware that this film would give us a lot of respect. But to be here in this premise is a different high.
It's Otta Seruppu. Otta Seruppu means single slipper. The title of the film is Otta Seruppu, size 7. It's about, it's a murder mystery. Interrogation happening in a police station. There are 5-10 people are there, but I am showing only one person on the screen. The rest people will be only in the voices. That's why I got the second award, national award for the sound side. Mr. Razul Pukuti, for this film he is getting the second award for my film. So this is the first kind of film showing the characters only by voices.
It was difficult. It was a longish process because animation takes a lot more time than a regular feature. And I have to say, like, I love the film. It's a film of longing. You know, when you long for somebody, Bimal has made a. Thank you.
This is Markar is my Priyadarsan and my combination in 44th film, 44th movie. So very confident is my director, my work side. There are no designers, no nothing. He's only confidently is doing this work, this job. So good feel with my work side.
The best of any award ceremony is of course the red carpet, especially if it's a film event. The red carpet at the 67th National Film Awards was a glittering affair. Our team was there on the ground to get you all the updates. Take a look.
भोसले को बनाने में मुझे 4 साल लग गए थे, क्योंकि भोसले जिस तरह का सब्जेक्ट था, एक रिटायर पुलिस वाले की भूमिका और एक बीमारी से ग्रस्त, वो कैसे क्षेत्रीय लोगों के बीच में जो झगड़ा होता है उनके बीच में फंसा हुआ है। ये एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट था जो जल्दी जो पैसे लगाने वाले थे वो उनको उतना ज़्यादा आकर्षित नहीं कर रहा था, लेकिन हम लोग काफ़ी इस मामले में कहीं ना कहीं कन्विंस थे। हम लोग, हमें विश्वास था कि ये बहुत अच्छी कहानी है जो लोगों तक आनी चाहिए, और जिस तरह का उसे राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मान मिला है, जो ख्याति मिली है, और जो जिस तरीके से दर्शकों ने उसे सराहा है, और ना अब जाकर राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार जो मिला, तो मैं कहता हूँ कि इसको अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं पोएटिक जस्टिस। तो भोसले के साथ पोएटिक जस्टिस इस राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार ने किया है।
स्टोरी टेलिंग में जिस तरह से जो चेंजेस आए हैं वक्त के साथ सिनेमा में, उसे आप कैसे देखते हैं?
एक बहुत ही खास करके, और ये जो स्टोरी टेलिंग में जो बदलाव था बहुत सालों से चल रहा था, लेकिन जो सबसे बड़ा जो इसको साहस कहें या इसकी जो प्रगति हुई है, इसका जो विकास हुआ है, वो OTT के आने के बाद हुआ। वो धीरे धीरे हो रहा था, लेकिन अचानक कोरोना ने जब लोगों को घर के अंदर बंद कर दिया, तो सिवाय OTT के उनके पास और कोई मनोरंजन का साधन नहीं था। और OTT में सिनेमा देखने का, कहानी देखने का ढंग अलग कम्प्लीटली अलग हो जाता है। जब आप 200 लोगों के साथ बैठ करके कोई मनोरंजन की चीज़ देखते हैं, या फिर जब अकेले बैठ के या 2 लोगों के साथ बैठ करके कोई कहानी देखते हैं, तो आपकी डिमांड, आपकी अपेक्षाएं उस सिनेमा से, उस काम से बिल्कुल अलग हो जाती हैं।
मेरे लिए और मेरी फिल्म टीम के लिए, सबके लिए बहुत ही गर्व का दिन है, और हम आभारी हैं राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कार के। उन्होंने हमारी फिल्म को सराहा, और ये सराहना और ये दिन हमें देखने को मिला।
OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स आ गए हैं, अब सिनेमा का आप फ्यूचर कैसे देखती हैं?
देखिए, हमारे यहाँ ऐसे भी 130 करोड़ से ज़्यादा की आबादी है, और जो थिएटर्स होते हैं वो मात्र 1.5-2 करोड़ लोगों को ही केटर कर पाते हैं। तो हमें और ऑडियंस कल्टीवेट करनी है, जैसे टीवी के थ्रू किया है या OTT के भी थ्रू होगा, लेकिन थिएटर्स शुड रिमेन and we should cultivate more audience.
Come on, it's the biggest honor, and thank God this is my 3rd national award, and it's an amazing honor that it's a big encouragement that to go forward, and the most prestigious one. What else can you think of when you are a filmmaker in India?
Tell us something about Simham. What's the movie and what was the idea behind the movie?
I think the best person to answer that would be the two of them there. I mean, this is a like a monumental film, especially in Malayalam, for us to like attempt. And you know, at the end of the day, I think it's up to the audience to decide how they feel about it. But I think we've given it our best shot, and I hope it's well appreciated finally.
So we feel really honored that the jury is actually looking into wildlife films as such, because last year we won 3 awards and this year we got another one for the best environment film.
And so curtains came down on one of the most prestigious film festivals on the continent, with much fanfare and strictly following COVID protocols, leaving behind moments to cherish and a promise to meet again next year. That's all for now. Goodbye and take care. Namaskar.